Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Today we're gonna analyze Zoetis. They are the world's leading healthcare company for animals. Market cap is $81 billion, current stock price $174, and yeah, they are operating in the drug manufacturers industry. Over the last 10 years, they have been outperformed the S&P 500 by almost double up, with its dividend reinvested. Now for some fundamental data. First up, sales growth 9.7%, big green check mark here. Earnings growth also very large, 21%. And the estimates are a bit lower though, but still 11%, which is great. Return of capital is 18%, so that's really high. And the debt to free cash flow is, mediocre. It's not over the threshold, so also green check mark. And they are actually buying back a tiny bit of shares, so also check mark. Now for some dividend data. The yield is not that high, 0.75%. The payout ratio though is only 22.6%. The growth rate is really high, 23.5%. But they have only been growing the dividend for 6 years. They have only been paying a dividend for 8 years. But all in all, that makes up for 8 out of 10 points, which is still great. And according to gurufocus.com, they are fairly undervalued. So what do you think, guys, for Zoetis? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, some fast graphs valuation. And here in fast graphs, we can see that they are actually crushing it. It's a nice and steadily growing earnings, and it's growing at a really good pace. 16%, that is great for a healthcare company. If we, for example, take a look at Johnson & Johnson, which also are very steadily growing. They are also growing, but not at all at this pace, 10% lower. Back to Zoetis and some future estimates for them. We can see that the valuation has been incredibly steep the last year. PE over 50. So yeah, it has come down a bit, actually a lot, from 240 down to 180. But yeah, I think still a good entry point for Zoetis would be maybe in the 150 range. So yeah, I have it on my watch list, but it has to come down a bit. Still valued at 35 times earnings and only a yield of 0.75. And if you project out to 2024, we can actually see that the total annual rate of return is not that great at this high valuation. But if it comes down, I will probably pull the trigger. That's it for today, guys. Hope you find it informative. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.